AGVs transport the workpiece to the pre-coating buffer area. Operators perform workpiece hanging and grouping at the loading station. The workpieces are conveyed via an overhead power and free conveyor system. They pass through the automatic shot blasting zone, touch-up spraying and cleaning booth, hot water washing and degreasing are carried out after saline rinsing. Manual air blowing is performed to remove residual water. Moisture drying is carried out. Primer spraying is performed. Primer leveling is carried out. Primer drying. Putty application and putty curing are carried out. Putty sanding is performed. Top coat spraying and top coat leveling are carried out. Top coat curing is performed. After natural cooling, the workpieces are unloaded from the line. The workpieces are stored in the post-coating buffer area. AGVs transport the coated workpieces to the Intelligent Storage Center. Finished products are buffered in the Finished Goods ASRS. They are stored for subsequent use.